beef yasai, salad, dessert, soup, and of course, rice. First bite. Salad. Cute. Maliit na kamatis. Yay. My gosh! Last, beef yasai, salad, and for the last one, titikman ko tong dessert. Matamis siya, and it balances out yung mga kinain kong maaalat.